From the first ray of sunlight to the last light of the sunset, every moment in the United States tells a different story. Energy on every corner. A dream on every face. Cities that never sleep, filled with stories to tell. But there is also silence among the mountains in the middle of the desert by the ocean. A country as big as its ambitions. Different rhythms, unique languages, but all part of the same melody. People from everywhere building the future. Where the past meets in a bastion. United States. More than a destination, an experience that unites worlds. Sugerencias.